I'm Agnes Toth-Petroczy. I'm a research group leader at the Max Planck Institute of Molecular Cell Biology and Genetics and the Center for Systems Biology in Dresden. In my group, we are fascinated by proteins that are the most exciting and important biomolecules in the cell and their evolution. We would like to specifically understand how the sequence of the proteins determines their three-dimensional shape and function. And we specifically focus on the types of proteins that don't have a well-defined 3D shape, but are flexible, so-called disordered proteins, and these are much more difficult to study both computationally and experimentally. Many diseases are actually linked to protein dysfunction. It takes only a single change in the DNA to alter the protein sequence and cause a disease. And such mutations can happen not only at the DNA, but also in the process of producing those proteins that we are also interested in.
And I use mass spectrometry and computational modeling to detect errors that cells make when they produce proteins, because these errors are important both for protein evolution as well as that they contribute to diseases.
And as everything in life, these mutations can have a bad or a good effect. They can cause disease, but also this variation in protein sequences is a driving force of molecular evolution. Proteins are not on their own in the cell. They bind other proteins or other biomolecules, and they form molecular collectives. We call them biomolecular condensates. We would like to understand what determines in the protein sequence which protein belongs to which biomolecular condensate. There are billions of genomes from different organisms sequenced now, and we can use this big data, this information, to develop machine learning models.
My background in mathematics and computer science allows me to create machine learning algorithms to predict the properties of the proteins.
I'm excited to work with an interdisciplinary team of scientists. We can answer questions from many different angles. We develop software, databases, tools for the scientific community, and at the same time we also perform computational experiments and wet lab experiments, for example using mass spectrometry, microscopy and sequencing.